Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your device supports eSIM and that you have the Telenor activation details. On your iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About to check Model, then make sure iOS is updated. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi so the phone can fetch carrier data. You're ready to add a cellular plan. Open Settings, right arrow Cellular, right arrow Add Cellular Plan. This starts the provisioning. Follow on-screen prompts and keep your QR or activation code handy for the next step. You'll now scan the Telenor QR or enter the code manually. Tap Add Cellular Plan and point the camera at the QR, or choose Enter Details manually. Once the plan is detected, label it, call it Telenor or Secondary to keep things clear. Then assign defaults. Choose which line you want for voice, SMS, and cellular data. Make sure to check iMessage and FaceTime settings so texts use the intended number. If you plan dual SIM use, set cellular data to the faster or cheaper plan. Finish by restarting your iPhone to ensure the eSIM profile loads cleanly. This resolves most lingering issues. After reboot, verify signal bars and try a data session or call. Make sure cellular data is set to the Telenor plan if you expected mobile internet. If you see no service, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset Network Settings, then re-add the eSIM or rescan the QR code. If that fails, contact Telenor support with your iPhone EID and the activation reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.